Hi guys, I will be doing a makeup tutorial. So you got the black eyeliner. We're going to go ahead with the eyebrows to fill in the shape. And we're going to keep filling and filling. So you want to hit the bottom first and then you want to go into the top and you want to make sure you get those corners, to make out the shape, like make it real vivid. You don't want to go too deep, but you want to make it like noticeable. So we're going to clean up a little bit there, just clean up a little bit. That's something that I do. I always, clean up my brows like that. Because I don't use no foundation or concealer or none of that. I just, straight clear skin. So yeah. Now for the other brow. See, with this brow, because it's more of an arch kind of shape, I'm going to go in and then curve it a bit, as you can see. And at the top, oh wait, I messed up right there. Yeah, I did mess up at the top, as you can see. But I'm going to fix it in just a minute. So I'm just going to go over it like nothing just happened. But yeah, it gets fixed. Yeah. The little cleanup, the little wipe out right there. And then even at the bottom, I definitely want to clear it up there so I can make that perfect little arch swoop. So now I'm gonna like embark it all the way down and curved, making that perfect curve on my left side. To you guys, you can see it like it's kind of right, but it's on the left. Now the big final cleanup. I do this each and every time I do my brows. So as you can see, this is how I look when it does. Kind of nervous because this is my first YouTube video, but yeah. Okay, so we got the brows out the way. Now, for the makeup that I'll be using. So I'm going to use the first one by Sweet Mint. And I'm going to use this nice brown color to do my eyelids. So me personally, like, I can't really close my eyes like other, people do when they do their makeup. So I kind of like just sweep it on there, with my eyes open, which is kind of a hazard. But I mean, hey, that's the way it works for me. Okay, check. Now I'm going to be using another color. I'm going to be using this nice, cute little blue color here. Kind of like sweep it on some more. So you can kind of see the blue coming in a bit, but it's kind of like a faded blue. But it's still coming on nicely, Honestly, I was trying to look for a blue that was kind of like my nails. But I mean, hey, that blue, it works just fine. Now, I'm going to be using a cute little blue here, which is also nice too, just to give it a more vivid pop. So I'm going to put those into my creases, try to make it bold enough to kind of stand out on its own. And here, you kind of see me struggling a bit. You see me struggling. Ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm struggling just a little bit with some stuff. A little bit. But now, I'm going to be using this cute little purple. So this purple is supposed to bring out the blue a little bit more. Make it more of a blueberry-ish color. Like a more indigo color. And yes, indigo is on my birth certificate, just so y'all know. So yeah, I'm going to smudge it on there just a bit more. Add some definition to it. Like kind of make that blue look more colorful. And also make the purple look a little darker, but also, kind of even it out. Now here I'm going to use this other blue. to fold into my inner creases. So I'm just going to pat those and they're real nice and neat. And I'm just going to like smudge it in some, like just smooth it all out. Just smooth and blending is all I'm doing here. Yeah, it does take me a little bit of time to get the, full thing on. But yeah, even here I'm just smoothing it in, smoothing it out, smoothing it in, smoothing it out. And yes, I really do hold my eyes like this each and every time I do my makeup. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. For real. No cap. Like, I really do that for real. But yeah, I'm gonna fill it in. Make it all plumpish looking. Make it look full and berryish, And now you guys kind of see where I was getting at with it. So now I got the eyeliner. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to put on some with the underline. It's like underneath your eyes, some shadow underneath. So you want to smooth it around just a little bit and make it like light and soft, but you don't want to like put it too heavy on you. So yeah, like you just smooth around the bottom. You don't want it to be too heavy or anything. Like just buff it out a little bit, so you kind of see like where it is. And that's the purple that I use. So now I'm going to use the eyeliner here. I really like using the pencil, kind of stick like this liner instead of using like the liquid, because the liquid, it gets too messy for me. So here I'm going to be going back and forth, sweeping the liner across my bottom line. You don't want to get onto the waterline, but you want to get to that lash line, Now here, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but I do struggle a bit when I'm trying to apply some liner to the top lash line. Trying to get it on there on the surface. Usually, when I do my makeup, it works. But in this video, because this is my first video ever for YouTube, yeah, it's kind of difficult for me to get it all in there. But yeah, you can kind of see me struggling a bit, trying to make like that perfect little lining attachment. And also, it's kind of a great way how to do a wing. And no, I'm not perfect at doing like wings, but hey, it works for me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the other side here, which is cool too. Same thing. Yeah, I had to do a double take. My eyes were starting to get watery. I don't know if you guys' eyes start to get watery, but as you can see, like, yeah, my eyes are really getting watery. I mean, it does this all the time, so it's not like, oh, my eyes are like too sensitive to, the makeup or anything that I'm using or the method that I'm doing to them. But it's just that it's kind of like that, like, all the time. So here I'm just still looking at it and adjusting it, trying to make it, as full as possible to my liking, And I keep, folding my eyes like that just so, the liner can get on the top line. Because it usually works like that for me. But I guess like, oh, when you try to do like a YouTube video first, it just, it kind of fails for whatever reason. Now here you can see me struggling, trying to make a little wing at the end of my eyes. Now this is the big thing I have a problem with. Every time I try to make a little wing on both, it works for one eye and not the other for whatever reason. But I still try to do my best anyway. So it's coming together all right. Trying to make it look more even, All right, cool. So now here are the lashes. So now I have 2 sets of lashes right here, and I got the glue, the 30-second hair glue. It's a nice little product. Every girl uses it. Well, every black girl uses it, I'll say that. Most of us do. But anyway, so you got your pair of tweezers. You want to get the tip bottom of the tweezers, and you want to play along the lash of, Basically, you want to put the glue from the bottom of the tweezers onto the lash, but you want to lightly do it. And this is the most complicated thing for me. So I got the glue up on there. And now you want to meet up to the lash line itself on your actual eye. Meet up to the lash line. And see? There you go. I mean, yeah, it could be struggling, but still, you want to get it to hit that line just perfect like that. Now, for my other side, I struggled with this for quite a while. It took me about a good hour to make the entire video itself, but still, like, you want to get as close as possible to your lash line. It's, you know, only because you don't want to mess up. But now, onto the lipstick. Now, this is just a cute little bluish, purplish lipstick. Well, lip gloss, shall I say, that I got from a beauty supply store. It's not really any big major brand or anything, but it's something that I thought was cute, so it works for me. So, of course, I lined my lips already with the liner, the black liner that I used for my eyes earlier. And now I'm going to use the lipstick to line my lips as well, because it kind of helps me stay inside the lines when I try to put on lipstick. So here you can see me even going a bit inward and trying to go side to side with it so I don't like mess up anything or go outside the tracing. And it kind of works that way. It kind of helps better. But I don't know what you guys think if you try for yourselves. So here, you know, I just pucker my lips a little bit, you know, here and there. Keep putting more gloss on. And then, hey, there you go. It's complete. This indigo blueberry look. I like it. What do you guys think of it? It's something new that I just tried. And plus, I was getting a little bit sleepy doing this video. But thank you for watching.